All right, so I'm going to do an update here on my battle for heating and air conditioning on this car. I've spent so much time on this step. I'm losing time. That's how it goes. So failure. I've started building the air box, and I got significant way through it. And what I ended up with, the airflow just it doesn't work. I'm just not getting the airflow. So I was trying to get as much evaporator and as much heater as I could in there and still get airflow through it, and I didn't get it. So options now are to completely start over and try to fabricate another box with a different concept. Um, the other thing I did is I got some test boxes from Restomod Air. They have three significant units. This is the medium one. The large one won't begin to fit in here, and the little one I'm sure is too small for the car. So at this point, I am retreating on my fabricating a unit, and now I'm going to see if I can fit Restomod's system in here. Um, the size works. It's what this thing should be able to produce for the size of the cabin should work. So yeah, sometimes you have victories, and then sometimes you just got to back up and keep going, find another path. Anyway, so this is their what do they call it? The Vapor 3. And this is the air inlet here. I have removed, this is a test box. This is a test fit. It's not an actual unit, which is handy for doing this quick fab and assessment kind of thing. I've taken the blower fan section off just to test this, which it does fit. It does fit down in here. You can see the presentation of these is up. I wouldn't mind if those were on this face, but the box fits. I mean, it does stick out here. I can tilt it up quite a bit, like on that angle, but then it increases the problem here. This would work. This might be a solution. And go down this path instead of making my own box. So this might be it. We'll see if I can make this work. I'll do updates on this. This is certainly getting entertaining at this point. I'm ready to move on to other things, but I got to get this sorted. Anyway, I'll let you know. Probably try to mount this and hard mount it and see if I can get it in here and see if we can make this work from an airflow point of view. So, all right, see you on the next one.